making a cake, and I hope you have a very Merry Christmas with you and Happy New Year. So the other time we made a cake, and now today we are trying a new method, something almost related to what we did, so that we can see whether it will still produce the same. And ingredients are here. You already know all of them. I hope so, because I showed you last time. Now, so today I'm beginning with my flour here. Then I simply add my 5 tablespoons of sugar. This is sugar. 5 teaspoonfuls. And then after that, the next procedure will be addition of. So we just add a pinch of salt. And that is just to neutralize. As I told you last time, sugar might be too much. So I neutralize with that. Then now I add my margarine. So now I have to mix this. So we'll be needing our flour so that we ensure that margarine is in. So as we do this, we wait for the next step. So we add our baking powder. 2 teaspoons. So we are mixing our baking powder. Already salt is in. So after this, I have to add my So I break my eggs. So I break my eggs aside because I don't want, maybe one of them has a problem. So you cannot mix with the rest just like that. You do this so that in case it has a problem, you just have to eliminate it. So I have my eggs. So the next process, I just mix in my flour after I've already mixed up here. So now we mix our flour with our egg. So we mix our flour. Our essence. I hope you understand the reason why we have essence with us. Now that we have eggs, some people don't like that kind of odor, so we are eliminating it, or rather reducing the neutralizing. And then after that, we can have our milk in. So we are adding our milk. Yeah, so our stirring is circular. So we have added in our milk and we are stirring in a circular motion because we want to ensure that all our flour is soft, we don't have lumps in it, and so we'll stir until it is quite well mixed and compatible. So you can see now if you want to know whether your flour is ready, when you raise it up, this is how it falls. Yeah, and you can see how beautiful it looks. So wow. Then after this, because we need layers, we have to separate, and we mix with our food color. We have 2 colors with us. So this one, we want it to be purple. And we just add in little because food color, it works so fast. So I'm using this sufuria. What I have to do, I have to make sure I use my blue band here. And I hope you remember I told you to avoid having my cake sticking on the edges. So then, because I want the different layers, I'll have to put in a little of this. And then the next layer I want this, so I put this one in. Then the final one is yellow. You know, girls with yellow. Today our birthday involves 2 ladies in the house. So again, you can see how I'm spreading because I just want layers. So our cake, once it's made like this, then the rest, you will wait until our cake is ready. Yeah.